Joined here with the head coach of the Lady Flames, Emily Russell. The Lady Flames went 3-1 here at the Chattanooga Invitational this week. And coach, we survived the cold.
Yeah.
It was pretty cold this whole weekend. Got 2 nice wins on Friday and then split the day here today. Let's talk about this team improvement from the opening weekend till this weekend.
Yeah, major improvement from opening weekend. I feel like, our opening weekend we just looked like frazzled, and you could see we had a lot of freshmen out there. And then this weekend I felt like we made it to a place where we were more confident in who we were and what we were doing and not as focused on the other team. And I think we had some good wins this weekend, and people had some big performances. I think we were able to consistently score, be more consistently ourselves.
You mentioned freshmen. You've got a lot of freshmen starting this year. Just talk about how that growth is going to be for the whole year, because it's going to be a learning experience each and every weekend.
Yeah, there's like a new situation basically every weekend that we learn from, and so I think that's really good. For us as coaches, we just understand we have to still teach a lot of things. You don't get a lot of opportunities in the fall to work on that with games, so they're going to have to happen when it counts. And so we've got to count on freshmen, and we're just coaching them up, coaching everybody up, so hopefully that everybody doesn't have to make a mistake.
This year, this is not at home. We're in Chattanooga. We're close to home, but we're not playing at home for quite a while. Talk about just being on the road so much.
Yeah, so we tried to do that to alleviate some of the pressure on the field early, and so I think this gave us the opportunity to run the tournament on the turf fields, and it was nice, even though it was cold. It was dry, and the sun participated with us pretty well there. But being on the road, I think it just makes you tougher and makes you just able to focus on the game. I mean, some parts of being on the road are a little easier than being at home. There's not as many distractions, so home might feel a little awkward by the time we get to it. But otherwise, I think they've really been digging into just figuring out what we need. And so I don't, to be honest, I'm not really sure they've noticed at home or on the road.
Good. Lady Flames get 3 wins here in Chattanooga this weekend. They continue the road trip this week.